So I'm out on my porch and I just discovered a little problem. See this debris down here? I just swept this up a couple days ago and there was a lot more than this. And today I noticed it was back. So I started figuring out, where did this come from? And this is what I discovered. This at first looks to be just some sort of dry rot, and I did previously have a little drip tube up here that was watering some plants hanging from the beam. But upon closer inspection, I've got some kind of little bug that's gotten into this rafter, and I'm going to dig this out and figure out how I can get him out of there and take care of that. I have some scrapers and some little tools. I'm going to dig away this wood and see if I can figure out what's going on here. Yeah, this isn't good at all. There's more hidden here than I thought. So I've checked all these other rafter tails all along here, and I can find no evidence anywhere else that this problem is existing anywhere but this one rafter tail. I did some reading and research and learned that this is likely the result of drywood termites. I apparently had a small infestation. There's none here right now. They've moved on, but they've left some damage. And I've got to fix this. So the thought I had, since they only penetrated in here and damaged about the bottom 1 inch of this rafter tail, is to cut away 1 inch and replace this with a block of wood that I cut in the shop and then paint it all in to match. The only power tool I have that I can fit in this restricted area is my old jigsaw, so I'm going to give it a try. Now I can see a little more extent of the damage. I'll have to probe around. There's a little more voids up further in here. Maybe I have to cut out a little more than this. I ended up cutting away 2 1/4 inches of material. I'm down to one trail that's only about, I don't know, 1/4 inch deep along here, so it doesn't look like they went in any deeper than that. So I think that's pretty good. I'm just wetting all this with a solution of Nibor. Maybe I'll just let that soak in overnight. Doesn't seem to be any active insects here, but this will act as a preventative, I think. So all I've done here, I got a 2x4. I've cut a taper on this end to match the angle on the beam, and I'm just going to mark this line. Because it's not a perfect cut, I can just do this, and I'm going to take it in and cut it on my bandsaw, and I should have a piece that'll fit right in there. Yeah, that fits just fine. On this side, I'm going to use a gusset I cut out of some scrap 1/4-inch plywood to help tie it all in together. I'll just nail a few along there, hold it all together, and it should work fine. I actually attached the 2x material to the gusset first here, and that way I can just spray this all with Nibor just to discourage any other pests that want to chew. Yeah, crack is filled. After that dries, I'll just prime it and paint it.